पूरे असम के साइड में जो स्टेट है, आपका मेघालय है, नागालैंड है, मिजोरम है, सब स्टेट के साथ हमारा सीमा विवाद है। उसका कोई परमानेंट कोई सेटल नहीं होता है। सेटल ऐसा होता है जो वो एसी रूम में मीटिंग करता है, एसी रूम में लोग जाके बैठा रहता है, और वह बॉर्डर में हमारे जो जवान है उन लोगों को गोली खाना पड़ता है, बेटालियन जो है उन लोगों को गोली खाना पड़ता है। इसलिए हम लोग उसका कंडेम करता है और हम दावी जनाते हैं कि असम गवर्नमेंट के होम मिनिस्टर को पदत्याग करना चाहिए और इसके ऊपर जुडिशियरी इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए, और असम गवर्नमेंट को जवाब देना पड़ेगा क्यों असम की पुलिस का ऐसे ऊपर ऐसा हाल हुआ है, और असम का पुलिस को कैसा ऐसा निर्दयी उन लोगों को मारा गया है। ये हमारा दावी है।
This is a boundary dispute between the two states. This is not a political issue. We are not counting votes at this moment. This is not a political issue. This is a long-standing border dispute. When Buddha side Congress government was there, that point of time also that this dispute was there. When Mr. Torun Gogoi was in Assam and Mr. Lal Khanwala was in Mizoram, that point of time also that dispute was going on, enforcement was there. So these are dispute basically between two states. It is not between two political parties. Assam is ready to give anything for peace in the northeast. We do not want land, but only thing that it is a reserve forest. Wherever we have dispute, in between that there is a reserve forest. So can reserve forest be utilized for settlement? The moot question which rest of the India should know, that wherever we have dispute, that dispute is not regarding land. This dispute is regarding forest. Assam wants to protect the forest. So Assam is not organizing any settlement. Assam is not doing any settlement in the forest area. So our problem is even a neutral people also take care of the forest. Suppose tomorrow central government says that look, there is no question of Assam, there is no question of Mizoram. The forest department of government of India will take care of forest. We are fine because for Assam, we do not want any settlement inside forest. Assam doesn't believe in taking revenge. Only thing that whatever may be the provocation will be there. We will not give our land. But beyond that, we have no fight with Mizo people. Why we should have fight?